time for us to get ready to present the awesome project. You are in the final stretch. There are only 2 more sessions left before we present. Now we will decide the specific presentation day on Monday for grade 8, Tuesday for grade 7. We'll decide when we're going to present then. Okay, but there's only going to be 2 more times to work on it. Now some presentation guidelines. The only guideline is that you get between 3 and 5 minutes. There's no other guidelines. If you want to make a PowerPoint, if you want to do a demonstration, if you want to just stand up and talk for 3 minutes, that is fine, okay? You can be creative here. Doesn't have to be a typical presentation. Things to consider when you are giving your presentation. First of all, it's interesting to share the background. Why did you choose the topic? It's also interesting to hear how the research developed. What was the story of your research? How did it begin? How did it continue? It's also nice to know the really cool things you learned along the way. And then also think about what was really difficult to do and what you have left to learn. Now, you might consider your project a failure if you got stuck on something or you didn't finish it, but that's okay. The whole point of this was to work on research and to work on sharing your ideas. Something else you might want to consider what you're proud of. Now, you can take this list of topics and you could just turn the presentation into this, all right? If you're not sure what to do, just respond to these prompts. Now remember, as well, this was an experiment. So something else you might consider, was it successful? Should we do it again? Should I change anything about the way it happens? And remember, but with capital letters this time, practice makes perfect. You've got to present in front of your classmates and in front of some parents and other people will be there. We're going to record it. You need to practice it, okay? Now, speaking of practicing, here's your homework. What you need to do after watching this video. I want you to do a run-through. So that means just stand up or sit where you are, but actually standing up is better, and talk through your presentation. Imagine that you're delivering it right now and just talk about it. If you're not sure what to say, think about these prompts. So that's your homework assignment. And when you get into class on Monday or Tuesday, depending on your grade level, tell me how long it took you. Were you talking for 60 seconds and then you ran out of things to say? Or did you get to 5 minutes and you had only said a quarter of what you wanted to do? Okay, so when I see you on Monday or Tuesday, depending on grade level, tell me how long it took you to just run through your ideas for your presentation. All right, see you later, children. Be awesome. Woohoo!